everyone, I'm Teacher Al. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to study how to solve geometric problems. Number 1 problem. The length of a rectangular picture frame is 2 cm less than twice its width. Its perimeter is 36 cm. What are its dimensions? So if we're going to analyze the problem asking for the size of the rectangle, meaning to say what is the length and what is the width. So to solve this problem, we have to use the representation. In representation, we will know the value of x and y by assigning the length and the width. Okay, therefore, let x be the length of a rectangle and y be the width of a rectangle. And next, after assigning, since we know the x and y is the length and width, we have to make an equation. Since we're going to solve this by using the system of equation, we need to make two equations, equation 1 and equation 2. For the equation 1, it is came from the statement, the length of a rectangular picture frame is 2 cm less than twice its width. So x is the length is equal to 3 twice means the y, the width, and less than means minus. That's why minus 2. So our equation 1 is x equals 3y minus 2. And the next equation, which is equation 2 that we're going to form, is 2x plus 2y equals 36. Because this 36 is the perimeter. And remember, in finding the perimeter of rectangle, we have the formula 2 length and 2 plus the 2w. Okay, to solve the equation, we will use the substitution method. Using the equation 2, 2x plus 2y equals 36. Then the value of x partially we have 3y minus 2, so we are going to substitute, plus 2y equals 36. Then simplify, 2 times 3y equals 6y, then 2 times negative equals negative 4, plus 2y equals 36. Then combine like terms, then transpose the constant to the right side of the equation. 6y plus 2y equals 8y. And negative 4 transferred to the right side of the equation, it becomes now positive 4. Then simplify again, 8y equals 36 plus 4 equals 40. So 8y equals 40 is our new equation. Then to solve for y, we have to divide it by 8 both sides of the equation. Then 8y divided by 8, we have y. Then 40 divided by 8 equals 5. So therefore, the value for y equals 5. The next, solve for x using the equation 1. The equation 1 is x equals 3y minus 2. Then equals, the value of y is 5, so we have to substitute. Minus 2. Then 3 times 5 equals 15 minus 2. Then 15 minus 2 equals 13. So the value of x is 13. Now the dimensions of a rectangle are 13 cm and 5 cm. Okay, the second problem about geometric. The height of a parallelogram is half as long as its base. If its height increased by 6 and its base is decreased by 3, its perimeter will be equal to 66. Find the height and base of a parallelogram. Okay, the same, we're going to have a representation just to assign the x and y variable. Let x be the height of a parallelogram and y be the base of a parallelogram. Then the next step is we're going to make an equation. So the equation 1, x equals 1/2 y. It is came from the statement the height of a parallelogram is half as long as its base, because the base is y. And for the equation 2, we have the given 2x plus 6 plus 2y minus 3 equals 66. Increases by 6 and its base is decreased by 3. Its perimeter will be equal to 66. So x plus 6 is increased and y minus 3 is decreased. And since this is perimeter, we have perimeter is 2L and plus 2W. Okay, now we are going to simplify. 2 times 6 equals 2x. 2 times positive 6 is positive 12, plus 2 times y equals 2y. Positive 2 times negative 3 equals negative 6. Just copy 66. The next is combine like terms and transpose the constant to the right side of the equation. Okay, 2x plus 2y equals 66. So we have 12 minus 6 equals 6. Then positive, then transpose to the other side, it becomes negative 6. Then next is simplify. 2x plus 2y equals 66 minus 6 equals 60. Then to reduce the equation, we're going to divide it by 2. So that's why our equation 2 is x plus y equals 30. Since we have now the two equation 1 and equation 2, so we can solve the equation by using the substitution method. Then we will use the equation 2 first. X plus y equals 30. Then the value of x partially is 1/2 y. This 1/2 y we're going to combine into one fraction. It becomes now y over 2. So the x now is y over 2 plus y equals 30. Then we're going to combine into one fraction. So we have to multiply 2 times y equals 2y. Then we have to add the y, so that's why our equation on the left side is y plus 2y equals 2 equals 30. Then combine like terms. Y plus 2y equals 3y. Then equals 60 equals. Then multiply both sides by 2. Then the 2 at the left side should be cancelled. That's why the remaining is 3y. And 30 times 2 equals 60. Then since we're solving for y, 3y equals 60 divided by 3 both sides. So that's why 3y divided by 3 equals y. Then 60 divided by 3 equals 20. After solving the y, we will solve for the x using the equation 1. Our equation 1 equals 1/2 y. X equals 1/2 and the value of y is 20. 20 times 1 equals 20 divided by 2 equals 10. So the value of x is 10. So therefore the height is 10 and the base is 20 of the parallelogram.